class, so here we are. I am going to do one problem that is a rational equations problem. So right away, I am seeing that this is a subtraction problem, and I'm going to change this to a plus negative on the top of the second fraction. This will help me remember that when I eventually distribute that 6, I need to distribute the minus or the negative with it, okay? I usually forget that if I don't do that right away. So the first step, besides doing that, is to factor any denominators that may need factoring. So this denominator factors to y plus 3, y minus 2. So looking at this, it's pretty obvious that my LCD is going to be just that. My LCD is going to be y plus 3, y minus 2. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this LCD and I'm going to multiply each individual fraction by that LCD. And when I do, things will cancel. That's the idea. So when I multiply this LCD to the first fraction, it's going to be the y plus 3's that cancel. And I'll just be left with the y minus 2. Okay, easy enough. Let's try that. When I do it, I'm just going to write down as a shortcut what's going to be left over. The y plus 3 will cancel, the 5 on top will still be there, and the y minus 2 from my LCD will be there. If you're like, where is she getting this from? Let me just show you very quickly. I am multiplying this to the first equation, or first fraction rather, and the y plus 3 is canceling with the y plus 3, so I'm left with a 5 and a y minus 2. I'm just not going to show that work for every part of this, okay? So let's go ahead and go on to the second one. When I multiply the second fraction, it's going to be the y minus 2's that cancel. And I'll be left with a negative 6 and the y plus 3. On the other side, guess what? The y plus 3 and the y plus 2 will cancel. So I am just left with equals 3. And now I'm going to solve. So let's go ahead and distribute the 5y minus 10. Let's distribute the 6, so minus 6y minus 18 equals 3. Okay, combining like terms. What do I get? Negative y minus 28 equals 3. Let's add that 28 over. Negative y equals 31, so y equals negative 31. We, of course, need to check and make sure that this answer is not extraneous, meaning if I plug in that negative 31, I'm not going to get any any zeros in my denominators, and sure enough, I'm not going to. So that's my answer. And that's it for this one. Thanks, guys.